Alright everyone, now pay attention. I wonder what this is all about. As you all know, spring is right around the corner. Which means, most umamusume are going to experience their estrus cycle. What does that mean?
That means they get really, really horny.
Correct. And the cycle will last for a few weeks. And during that time, us trainers are in grave danger of being attacked. By our own trainees, nonetheless. To ensure our safety, I've made a list on how to identify and protect yourself against umamusume and heat.
Us girls don't need to worry about this, right? I mean, I don't think I've been attacked before.
And that's where you're wrong. My observation says that despite male trainers being more likely to be attacked, actual successful attacks are more likely to occur to female trainers.
Treason is a scary place.
Moving on. The best way to protect yourself against a threat is to identify it before it's too late. The most obvious sign that your trainee is in heat is their beet red face. Also, look at their tail. Does it wag in excitement when they see you? An increase in body heat and heavy breathing could also be a sign. But then again, we are dealing with athletes, so these signs could be false positives. I've also noticed that they train more during this period. I can only guess that's to distract their minds from their condition.
So, how do we defend ourselves?
That would be my next point. Now, if an Uma in heat gets their hands on you, you might as well accept your fate.
We can't fight back?
Of course you can try to fight back, but I assure you, it won't end well. Fighting back would only make them enraged, and you're just wasting your own stamina. Here are some ways to prevent yourself from being umapoid. Now, if an umamusume asks you to go to a secluded place alone with them, don't go. Empty club rooms and classrooms are some of the most popular places. Never receive any drink from an uma, be it a cup of coffee or a bottle of water. There's always a bit of something inside it. Wear your fake rings. I believe the directors issued every trainer one.
I forgot we have those.
Although rare, some umas will try to attack you the moment they see you. You can't outrun an umamusume, but you can always hide. Just be quiet when you're doing it. And don't forget to always bring protection. Lastly, if things are dire enough, call Tazuna.
Yeah, I'm sure she'll help us.
So, any questions?
I have a question. Why don't they just umapoi each other?
Some of them do, for a few days, until they get bored. And that's when we'll be in danger. Remember, trainers have human rights. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. That will be all. Thank you for your attention.